Have you ever wondered why, no matter what diet you try, how many supplements you take, or how often you exercise, your health still doesn't seem to improve? You might feel tired all the time, struggle with bloating, headaches, inflammation, or joint pain, and no matter what you do, something just feels off inside your body. The truth is, all these symptoms are connected to one single hidden root cause that almost no one talks about. And once you understand it, you'll realize that your body has been trying to communicate with you all along. The real problem isn't the symptoms you're fighting, it's what's happening deep inside your cells. That hidden root cause is cellular dysfunction, more specifically metabolic stress and insulin resistance, the silent engine behind almost every chronic disease we know today. Let's go deep for a moment. Your body has around 37 trillion cells, and every one of them depends on energy to function. That energy is produced by your mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses inside each cell. When your mitochondria are healthy, you feel energetic, your brain works clearly, your immune system stays strong, and your organs perform efficiently. But when they get damaged, usually from a combination of sugar overload, stress, processed foods, and lack of nutrients, they begin to malfunction. This cellular damage creates oxidative stress, inflammation, and hormonal imbalance, setting off a chain reaction that leads to conditions like diabetes, heart disease, fatty liver, arthritis, obesity, and even cancer. The crazy part is that most people never realize it starts long before any disease is diagnosed. Think about it, chronic disease doesn't appear overnight. It develops silently over years of cellular abuse. Every time you eat processed carbohydrates, drink sugary beverages, skip sleep, or live under constant stress, your insulin spikes. Insulin is that key hormone that helps glucose enter your cells for energy. But when it's constantly elevated, your cells stop responding to it properly. This is called insulin resistance. And that's where the real trouble begins. Insulin resistance doesn't just affect your blood sugar, it throws off your entire hormonal system. It makes it harder for your body to burn fat, causes energy crashes, affects your mood, and increases inflammation across all organs. Your body begins to store more fat, especially around your liver and belly, which further increases inflammation, a vicious cycle that feeds disease. Now, here's the shocking truth. Nearly every chronic condition, from high blood pressure and heart disease to Alzheimer's and cancer, has one thing in common: metabolic dysfunction. When your metabolism breaks down, your cells can't produce clean energy. They start producing more free radicals and less ATP, leading to what we call metabolic chaos. This chaos affects every system. Your immune system weakens, your gut microbiome becomes imbalanced, your liver struggles to detoxify, and your brain becomes foggy. The body becomes overwhelmed with inflammation, and when inflammation becomes chronic, your body starts attacking itself from within. It's not that your body is broken, it's simply trying to protect itself from the constant metabolic stress it's under. So, if the hidden root cause of all chronic disease lies in cellular and metabolic dysfunction, what can we do about it? How do we reset the body? The answer is not in another pill, not in endless supplements, and not even in overexercising. It's about returning your body to its natural state of healing, a state that modern lifestyles have completely disrupted. The first step to resetting your body is to lower insulin levels and restore metabolic flexibility. And the best way to do that is through intermittent fasting and low-carb, nutrient-dense eating. When you stop feeding your body every few hours and allow it to rest between meals, something incredible happens. Your insulin levels drop. Your cells start to repair themselves through a process called autophagy, and your mitochondria begin to rejuvenate. Your body literally starts cleaning out damaged parts and rebuilding new ones. Most people think fasting is just about skipping meals, but it's actually one of the most powerful ways to heal your body at the cellular level. When you fast, your body shifts from burning sugar to burning fat for fuel. This switch reduces inflammation, improves brain function, and resets your metabolism. That's why people who practice intermittent fasting often report more energy, mental clarity, and better digestion. And when you combine fasting with whole foods such as leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, healthy fats like olive oil and avocados, wild-caught fish, and high-quality proteins, your cells start to thrive again. These foods nourish your mitochondria, reduce oxidative stress, and support detoxification. Your body starts working with you, not against you. The second major step in resetting your body is controlling stress and improving sleep. Chronic stress keeps your cortisol levels elevated, which worsens insulin resistance and inflammation. When cortisol stays high, your body stays in fight or flight mode, shutting down healing processes. You can't heal when your body thinks it's in danger. That's why sleep and relaxation are just as important as diet. Deep sleep is when your body repairs tissues, balances hormones, and detoxifies the brain. Without enough rest, you're stuck in a cycle of exhaustion and inflammation. So take stress seriously. Even short breathing sessions, meditation, or nature walks can lower cortisol and give your body the space it needs to recover. Another crucial part of resetting your body is improving gut health. The gut is often called the second brain because it controls not just digestion, but also your immune function, mood, and inflammation levels. When your gut microbiome becomes imbalanced from processed foods, antibiotics, and stress, it leaks toxins into your bloodstream, triggering widespread inflammation known as leaky gut. This constant immune response becomes the foundation for autoimmune diseases, allergies, and even depression. To fix this, you need to feed your gut the right bacteria through probiotics, fermented foods like kimchi or sauerkraut, and plenty of fiber from vegetables. When your gut heals, your immune system calms down, inflammation drops, and your energy starts to rise again. But even with the perfect diet and gut healing, you won't get far if your liver is congested. The liver is your main detox organ. It filters out toxins, metabolizes fats, and regulates blood sugar. Yet, most people overload it with refined carbs, alcohol, medications, and environmental toxins. A sluggish liver means poor metabolism, hormonal imbalance, and constant fatigue. The good news is the liver has an incredible ability to regenerate. By cutting out processed foods, drinking plenty of water, and eating foods like garlic, beets, cruciferous vegetables, and lemon water, you can help your liver restore its function naturally. When your liver is clean, your entire metabolism begins to reset. One of the most overlooked factors behind chronic disease is nutrient deficiency. Even if you eat regularly, you might still be starving your cells of what they actually need. Modern farming, processed food, and stress deplete essential minerals like magnesium, potassium, zinc, and vitamin D. These nutrients are critical for cellular repair, energy production, and immune defense. Without them, your body can't complete basic functions efficiently, leading to fatigue, muscle cramps, and poor recovery. Replenishing your body with nutrient, dense foods and targeted supplementation helps restore the biochemical balance your cells need to heal. Now, let's tie everything together. Chronic disease is not your destiny. Your genes may load the gun, but your lifestyle pulls the trigger. What you eat, how you sleep, how you think, and how you manage stress all determine whether disease takes root or not. The key is to remove what's harming your cells and give them what they need to heal. The human body is incredibly intelligent. It knows how to repair itself if you stop interfering with it. When you stop flooding your body with sugar, when you eat real food, when you fast and allow your cells to rest, when you sleep deeply, when you manage stress, your body resets. Inflammation goes down, hormones balance out, energy returns, the brain clears up, and slowly, the symptoms that once felt permanent begin to fade. Imagine waking up every morning with clear energy, a calm mind, and a light body. No more bloating, no more fatigue, no more constant aches. That's not a fantasy. That's your body functioning the way it was designed to. The healing you're looking for doesn't come from outside. It comes from within. The moment you give your body the right environment, it begins to restore itself. The power to reverse disease lies in your daily habits, your food choices, your stress levels, and your ability to let your body do what it was made to do, heal. Every bite you eat, every hour you sleep, every moment you choose peace over stress, you're teaching your cells how to thrive again. So, the next time you think about chronic disease, don't see it as a random condition that suddenly appeared. See it as a message. Your body's way of saying something is off at the cellular level. And the best way to heal is not by masking symptoms, but by addressing the root, the hidden root of all chronic disease. Reset your body, restore your metabolism, and you'll be amazed at how powerful you truly are when your cells are working with you instead of against you. The human body doesn't want to be sick, it wants balance. Give it that, and it will do the rest. The healing starts when you decide to stop chasing quick fixes and start rebuilding your foundation. Your body isn't your enemy, it's your greatest ally. Learn to listen to it, feed it right, let it rest, and it will reward you with vitality, strength, and a life free of chronic disease.